How to fix my Toyota app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Toyota app if it's not working. So let us begin. First things first, you might want to update your Toyota app. Now to do that, go to your settings, App Store, and search for My Toyota. After you search for it, it will open up and there you go. If you see an update option available, tap on update. Now before you update, make sure that you have a strong internet connection, and the reason your Toyota app might not work is because you do not have a strong internet connection. And after you've updated your My Toyota app, try to use it again. So after you've done that, if your Toyota app still does not work, open up your settings, scroll down, go to general, and go to iPhone storage. Now under there, you will need to find your My Toyota app. So just open up My Toyota app. Now let me just go ahead and open my Toyota first. And let me go here. And there it is. So what you'll now need to do is offload the app. Tap on offload. It might take some time to offload. And after it does, reinstall the app. Now this will clear all your cache of My Toyota app. So after doing this, your Toyota app should work just fine. If that does not fix the problem, the only thing you can now do is completely uninstall the app and reinstall it. And after doing that, your problem will obviously get fixed. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.